So children, today we will study about, in continuation with chapter 11, Human Eye and Colorful World, we will study about atmospheric refraction. So what is refraction? We have learned in chapter 10, when light travels from rarer to denser medium or denser to rarer medium, it changes its path. The condition was that it would travel obliquely at a particular angle, right? So when light travels obliquely from one medium to another medium, it changes its path, and that is known as refraction, right? Refraction. And now we will study about atmospheric refraction, that when light travels from atmosphere, from vacuum, from sun to our earth atmosphere, it has to travel many layers in the atmosphere. So that way it also suffers the refraction in the atmosphere. So 5 phenomenon of the atmospheric refraction we will learn in this topic, right? Before starting this, we need to understand one small practical which you have done in junior classes. What was that? That you have taken 3 cardboards, and through these cardboards you have kept them in equal position to each other, and the hole was kept in the equal position, equal height पर सबके hole आपने बनाए थे. You have kept one candle on the suppose right hand side, and to observe it from the left hand side, you have seen that light is visible, candle flame is visible to you. But suppose we pick this height, or we make one another cardboard we keep in the center position, and the height of the hole is little bit higher from the A and C holes, then you will see that we will not able to observe the candle flame. Why? So conclusion of this was that light travels in straight line. Human being can see light which is traveling in straight line. So that we have learned here, right? So same way this concept is applicable in atmospheric refraction here. So first of all, we will learn about why the stars are twinkling, and secondly, why the stars appears to be at the higher position from their actual position. अपनी position से थोड़ा apparent position, appearing position पर क्यों है? Apparent means appearing position, right? So suppose stars are here, right? All of you know stars are very far away, and we have our own star also. What is our galaxy? Anyone? What is our galaxy?
Milky Way galaxy.
Milky Way.
Milky Way galaxy. And which is the star of our Milky Way galaxy?
I'm Sun.
Sun.
Sun. And do you know that these stars which are appearing here in the sky, they are very far away from us because they are out of our
Yes,
Milky Way
ma'am.
galaxy. And some of these stars are much, much bigger than sun even. So when light travels from these stars which are out of our galaxy, it suffers atmospheric refraction because the refractive index, or you can say simply the density of the atmosphere, as soon as it comes near to the light, comes near to the earth atmosphere, is increasing. All of you know increasing हो रहा है. Only earth is the having atmosphere around it. Rest of all planets are not having. So far we have this theory only, that we don't have atmosphere around the other planets. Only earth is having suitable atmosphere. So density is also higher. So every time it suffers atmospheric refraction, refract होती हुई, यानी कि bend towards the normal, it comes to the human being. Suppose human being is standing here. So, but we are not able to see this curved path. How do we see? We see the straight line. That's why this star, which is at little bit lower position, appears to be at the higher position. Is it clear? So this is the one give reason that why stars appear to be at a little higher position from actual position, from their actual position. This is the first give reason. This is the reason. Simply one line answer is there, that this happens due to the atmospheric refraction. But if it is some 3 mark question, you have to explain along with the diagram, and you have to explain that it suffers the every time due to the increasing refractive index, the light is suffering the refraction, and we are able to see only the straight light path. Thus, they appear to be at a higher position. Then you will score 3 marks. Am I clear? So Second give reason is why stars appears to twinkle. This is also related to this phenomenon only. That sometimes we are able to see if the sky is clear, very much clear, then they appear to be at their actual position. But if there is some density of the particles and our eyes are also flickering, then due to the atmospheric refraction, they appear to be at first position, second position. So the light every time suffers the refraction, it bends towards the normal. So when it bends, then at particular point it appears to be dim light. And when it is bending and traveling straight line, then we are able to see the light. So it appears to be bright light. So dim, bright, dim, bright. This makes the stars twinkling. Have you got my point? What I'm saying? I'm saying that every time when it is bending, it's changing the path at a one point. If it is changing one point, at one point it is changing the path, that at that point star appear to be dim in light. We are not able to see proper light. But when it travels in the straight line, we are able to see the star properly, whether it is higher position or lower position. We are able to see the light properly. So this way they appears to twinkle. So stars appears to twinkle due to atmospheric refraction. Again, second give reason is this, and third give reason we will learn here is that why Earth or planet, why planets do not twinkle. So why planets do not twinkle? Because planets are near to the Earth atmosphere. They are in our Milky Way galaxy, right? So in this diagram, you will learn two concepts. First concept is that twinkling of the stars which are along the horizon is much higher, while the stars which are just overhead the atmosphere, Earth's atmosphere, the twinkling of stars is less. Why? Because as you can see in the diagram, that here the atmosphere where the stars which are above the overhead, they suffer less refraction because the less atmosphere they have to travel. This is only the thickness of the near about 25 kilometer thickness is there in which they will travel refraction. So small amount of refraction they travel. Thus, they appear to less twinkling or sometimes they appear to be stable only. But if you see along the horizon, horizon means horizontal to your position. If you see the stars along the horizon, they appears to twinkle more because the more layers of atmosphere, they are suffering the refraction. So more is the refraction, more is the twinkling. Is it clear? Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear to everyone? Okay. The
Yes.
last concept is that why sunrise and sunset, why there is advanced sunrise and delay in sunset. We have children 2 minutes early sunrise and 2 minutes delay in sunset. If you have visited some mountaineering area, you must have seen that there are some positions which are known as sunset point or sunrise point. There you must have seen that it appears that sun has already sunset. Normally we see the sunset over there. So sun is already set. But for 2 minutes, a small disk of sun is appearing to us, reddish color disk is appearing to us. Same way it happens in the during the sunrise also, that when sun is rising, a small disk of sun for 2 minutes is visible to us, and immediately just after 2 minutes the full sun rises. This is what? This is again due to atmospheric refraction. In this diagram, you can very well understand that how the density of the atmosphere is increasing and why the atmospheric refraction is taking place. You can see the point by point refraction is taking place. So actually, while the sunset or sunrise, the sun was below the horizon, right? Suppose it is sunset because it is on west direction, so we can say it is sunset time. अगर ये east में होता तो what was the position? Sunrise or sunset?
I'm sunrise.
I'm son.
Yes, that was the sunrise position, right? This is the sunset position. So suppose sunset is being done. So sun is already below the horizon, but due to atmospheric refraction, it is traveling. The light of the sun is traveling to the human being. But as the nature, the basic concept that we see the light traveling in the straight path only. So we are able to perceive the position of sun. So this is known as perceived position, which is only for 2 minutes. So 2 minutes early sunrise, 2 minute delay in sunset. In total, the whole year over the all over the world, if we calculate average, then we get 6 hours advantage in a year. And due to this, collectively 6 hours, we make one leap year because it was difficult for accounts people and other calculating people to calculate the 6 hours in one year. So what they have done, they have collected these 6 hours of 4 years and made after 4 years, they have made one day as a leap year. Is it clear to everyone? So leap year is made due to the atmospheric refraction, that is 2 minutes early sunrise and 2 minutes delay in sunset. All the concepts are clear to you, I hope.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I hope it is clear. Yes. So this was the today's topic, atmospheric refraction.